the ages.
Wetlands are the ecotones between permanently aquatic and dry terrestrial ecosystems. A wide variety of wetlands, like marshes and open water bodies, exist in our city. Pallikarnai wetland is a freshwater swamp adjacent to the Bay of Bengal in southern Chennai. A major portion of the marshland was declared a reserve forest area. The swamp helps in charging the aquifers of the region. It is one of the last few remaining natural ecosystems in the city. These wetlands are increasingly facing several anthropogenic pressures. The rapidly increasing tourism and expanding human population are also causes for the disturbance of the biodiversity.
Where are you from?
We are from Pondicherry.
You come here regularly for bird watching?
Yeah, we come here every year for bird watching and clicking.
What do you think about the lake?
Well, it's a beautiful place, but since we come here every year, we are able to notice the fact that every year it gets worse. Like the government doesn't take proper care of the environment. And
What steps do you think the government should take for the conservation process?
I think you should reduce urbanization around this area, make sure people don't come this way. They construct another road that goes a little far away from this place so that the birds have a little more space around them.
Will you come forward to protect the wetland?
yeah, sure. Actually, we were just thinking if we can, give our suggestions to the government about, like she said, how to improve this place. And I guess, I think we.
So I think definitely through an NGO we could come together and form a group and conserve the wetland.
Yeah, sure. We'll definitely do.
Dumping of solid waste, discharge of sewage, construction of buildings, construction of a railway station and a new road are causing the marsh to shrink. Cognizant Technologies is located here now. A lesser-pied kingfisher having a good time in the Keelkattalai Lake.
Now we are going to meet Mr. Tirunaranan, wetland conservationist from Nature Trust.
Wetlands are the most important ecosystem in the world compared to the rainforest and coral reefs. It supports lots of birds, mammals, including the breeding season and feeding season. Wetlands also works as a sponge area to curtail the flood situation. Like us, the Pallikarnai wetland is the most important wetland in urban area, which supports lots of birds, fishes and reptiles. Like about 113 species of birds, 127 species of flora and 47 species of fishes supported by this wetland. The Pallikarnai wetland works as a main flood awaiting area in Chennai. We are working in conservation programs to conserve this wetland with Forest Department. We are also providing awareness for the children, and we are conducting regular rally programs to conserve the wetland. Nature Trust is an environment organization started in 2003. It's a registered trust 113/2003. We are actually working on main two concepts, wildlife conservation and environment education. On this part, in Chennai, we are working in monitoring the urban wetlands like Pallikarnai, Pulkhet and Kaliveli wetlands. We are working on conservation to conserve and creating awareness to conserve the wetland. Our flagship species, Indian gaur. In slang, they are telling Indian bison. Our project area is in Mannavanur, in the upper Palni Hills near Kodaikanal. So we are working on ecology of Indian gaur, and we are traveling throughout Western Ghats to study the habitat of gaur and creating awareness to print media to conserve the elephant corridor, which now the major menace in the man-animal conflict. And we are working for the environment education for the corporation school children only in Chennai, the underprivileged children. We are picking up the children straight away to the field area and making them to love the nature and birds. As far as Nature Trust, conserve the nature for the better future.
Wetlands help in controlling floods, water purification, retention of nutrients, groundwater recharge or discharge, maintenance of underground water tables, freshwater cycle, staging ground for waterfowl, nurseries for fisheries and wildlife, stabilization of local climate, and in protecting biodiversity. The overexploitation of fish resources, agricultural production and residues, large-scale changes in land use and burgeoning development projects, and improper use of watersheds, industrial wastes reaching wetlands and suffocating them, have all caused a substantial decline of wetland resources of the country. So let's join hands to prevent the destruction and preserve our wetlands for our future generations.